Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about TV's Apache RTR 160 motorcycle features. The TV's Apache RTR 160 isn't just a motorcycle, it's an icon of power, precision, and performance. Born from the racetrack and built for the streets, it carries the legacy of TV's racing, delivering an unmatched riding experience. Every detail of this machine is crafted to ignite passion, inspire confidence, and satisfy the hunger for speed. It's not merely a mode of transport, it's an expression of freedom, adventure, and individuality. At the heart of the Apache RTR 160 lies a powerful 159.7cc single-cylinder engine. This beast roars with 15.53 PS of power at 8,400 RPM, delivering a punchy torque that propels the rider forward with exhilaration. The engine is crafted to provide seamless power delivery, ensuring rapid acceleration and top-end performance. With race-tuned fuel injection technology, the bike achieves a perfect balance between power and efficiency, giving riders the thrill they crave without compromising on fuel economy. The Apache RTR 160 is designed with a racing DNA that's visible in every curve and contour. Its aerodynamic styling is inspired by track machines, reducing drag and enhancing stability at high speeds. The sculpted fuel tank is not only muscular but also functional, offering an ergonomic knee recess for superior control during aggressive riding. The sharp tank shrouds and sleek body panels give the bike a dynamic, forward-leaning stance, ready to pounce at any moment. Performance is not just about speed, it's about precision. The Apache RTR 160 comes with a robust double-cradle split synchro stiff chassis that provides exceptional stability and agility. Whether slicing through city traffic or carving through winding mountain roads, this chassis ensures optimal balance and control. The suspension system comprises telescopic front forks and a mono-shock rear absorber, both tuned to handle rough terrains and sharp corners with ease. Braking on the Apache RTR 160 is nothing short of phenomenal. It features pedal disc brakes at both ends, delivering superior braking power and heat dissipation. The advanced single-channel ABS ensures controlled braking, preventing wheel lock-up during emergency stops. This safety feature not only boosts rider confidence but also enhances overall handling, allowing for more aggressive riding without compromising on safety. The Apache RTR 160 is not just built for speed, it's built for precision control. The ergonomics are carefully crafted for a sporty yet comfortable riding posture. The handlebars are positioned for quick steering response, while the rear set footpegs encourage a racing stance. The dual-tone seat offers excellent cushioning, ensuring comfort on long rides without compromising on the sporty feel. The fully digital instrument cluster on the Apache RTR 160 is a masterpiece of information and technology. It displays a plethora of data, including speed, tachometer, fuel gauge, gear position indicator, trip meters, and even a lap timer for track enthusiasts. The blue backlit display enhances visibility under all lighting conditions, ensuring that the rider stays informed and in control at all times. Lighting on the Apache RTR 160 is designed not only for visibility but also to make a statement. The aggressive LED headlamp with integrated daytime running lights (DRLs) gives the bike its signature glare, a fierce look that demands attention. The rear gets a sleek LED tail lamp, complementing the sharp and sporty tail section. The clear lens turn indicators enhance safety while adding to the bike's modern aesthetics. The Apache RTR 160 isn't just about raw power and aggressive styling, it's about a complete riding experience. It comes equipped with a precision-tuned exhaust system that delivers a throaty, race-inspired exhaust note. The sound is not merely noise, it's a symphony of power that resonates with the rider's soul, connecting man and machine in perfect harmony. TV's understands that every rider is unique, and so the Apache RTR 160 is available in a range of stunning colors. From vibrant matte shades to bold gloss finishes, each color option enhances the bike's sporty character. The premium paint quality, combined with striking graphics, ensures that the Apache RTR 160 stands out on the road, reflecting the rider's personality and style. Fuel efficiency is a crucial factor for modern riders, and the Apache RTR 160 delivers impressively on this front. The race-tuned fuel injection technology ensures optimal fuel-air mixture, enhancing combustion efficiency and mileage. This makes the bike not only thrilling to ride but also practical for daily commutes and long-distance journeys. TV's also offers a variety of accessories to personalize the Apache RTR 160. From performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements, riders can customize their machines to reflect their tastes and preferences. This ability to personalize adds an emotional touch, allowing each Apache to be unique and special to its owner. The Apache RTR 160 is built not only for performance but also for durability and reliability. TVS's commitment to quality is evident in the bike's robust construction and premium materials. Every component is rigorously tested for endurance and longevity, ensuring that the Apache RTR 160 stands the test of time, ride after ride. Maintenance is made easy with TVS's extensive service network and availability of genuine parts. Skilled technicians ensure that the bike remains in peak condition, delivering consistent performance throughout its life. This peace of mind allows riders to focus on what matters most, the thrill of riding. The Apache RTR 160 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle choice. It caters to young enthusiasts looking for excitement as well as seasoned riders seeking reliable performance. Its versatile nature makes it perfect for daily commuting, weekend adventures, and even track days, making it a complete package for all kinds of riders. TVS's legacy of racing is embedded in every Apache RTR 160. It's a machine born on the racetrack, engineered to dominate the streets. This racing heritage is not just about speed, it's about precision, agility, and control. It's about pushing limits, embracing challenges, and conquering every road with confidence. In terms of value for money, the Apache RTR 160 is unparalleled. It offers cutting-edge technology, stunning design, thrilling performance, and exceptional build quality, all at an affordable price point. It's an investment in passion, adventure, and freedom, delivering more than just a ride, it delivers an experience. The Apache RTR 160 community is a family of passionate riders who share a love for speed, style, and adventure. It's a brotherhood of racers, thrill seekers, and explorers who live life on the edge. Owning an Apache RTR 160 isn't just about owning a motorcycle, it's about being part of a legacy, a movement, a revolution. The TV's Apache RTR 160 continues to set new standards in the motorcycle industry. It's a pioneer, a trendsetter, and a leader in its segment. It embodies the spirit of racing, the thrill of speed, and the joy of riding. It's built for those who don't follow the crowd but lead the way. In conclusion, the Apache RTR 160 isn't just a bike, it's a dream come true for riders who crave adrenaline and freedom. It's a symbol of power, precision, and passion. It's a machine crafted to conquer roads, break limits, and create unforgettable memories. It's not just designed to move, it's designed to inspire, excite, and empower. The Apache RTR 160 is more than a ride, it's a revolution on two wheels. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.